Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you this Oneplus Genshin Keqing Special Edition smartphone, and I'm so excited to have this Oneplus Ace3 based another Genshin Special Edition smartphone for you. And today I'm going to have a very quick unboxing video, and I'm going to talk on the specifications about this device. And as you can see, this is a special design box, and generally speaking, we can expect a lot of amazing surprise from the Oneplus Special Edition smartphones. So now after we open the box, we find another Genshin logo printed box. Yes, so inside this is a post, and this time for the Genshin Special Edition smartphone, it's bring you a lot of Genshin accessories and stuff inside. And you applied a lot of elements from Genshin, and I think it can provide a very nice and immersive experience for the Genshin lovers. And after we open the box, as you can see, we can find the included bookmark, and this is also can be used as the cubic poster for the fans. Very nice, and this is a bookmark. And also we can find a lot of elements from Genshin. The swallows, cocktail leather, the flowers, and nature. Yes, so this is the first box after we open the big gift box. And this time for the special edition smartphone, it's used a special gift box design. And here is the badge. It's a pen, and we can find the imprinted OnePlus and Genshin logo words and on this badge. And under this we find on the smartphone, and we find that they provide a collection of mental badge. It's a bit cool than the reactors. And let's open it and let's check what's inside this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So they included 8 mental badges and also a bit cool stickers inside this box. And from the transparent protector, we can find the different emotions of the Keqing, the main actor today we use in this special edition. And I remember last time we reviewed the Xianling edition and also the other characters from the Genshin, and this time it's the purple color Keqing. And I really like the deep customized smartphones from OnePlus. They really put a lot of effort on the special edition phones. And under this box, they also have this is the acrylic material stand sign. Two. One is Q, a bit Q, and another is the real characters. So this also can be put it on your desk, and it can very nice for the fans of Genshin. And they put it on the desk. So this is very useful handmade products. Okay, so this is acrylic stand sign. And okay, this left one is also, we can find also the Keqing logo printed on this box. And in this box, okay, yes, here is it's a case. Okay, also very purple color, and decent case, and also the quick start, and also the SIM card ejector, SIM cupping, and also this is a letter for the travelers. And we can find what's inside this box, and it's a list of the package. They included a smartphone, a badge, it's a mental badge, and also pen, horse feet badge, and also the case, the cable, and the charger, user manual, and pen, and all the stuff are deep customized, and also the poster and acrylic stand sign. This very numbers of things included in this special gift box, and also the quick start. But this one for the quick start is not customized paper, just a normal user manual. Yeah. If it can be purple and also printed the character of Keqing or Genshin, that will be perfect. And also here we can find the fast charging cable, and this is the special designed Type-C to USB-A cable, and also purple colored, and also this is very user-friendly for the gaming lovers to when you charge it and play games, better than the straight charger port. And also this is a Keqing charger, 100-watt Keqing charger, also customized. I really like it, the purple color. Okay, I think this is all the stuff, accessories, smartphone, and other stuff inside the box. And I already checked one by one. And next, I think we can go to today's highlight, the smartphone. First, let's get it out. Get the smartphone from the plastic bag. It's also a customized bag, Oneplus and Genshin logo printed on the screen back. And I cannot wait to check how this phone looks like. It's also purple color, and also, as I mentioned, this phone is based on the Oneplus Ace3. It's doing massive unbox videos, and also the back panel, the camera zone, and also the framework, all same color, purple color, and even the camera zone, the camera zone. Okay, this is for the camera edge is similar, same like the normal edition. It's the Cloud Paris. Yep, special design. But what surprised me is the whole color and all technology this time they use is very looks so balanced. And the purple color is just the same like the box, like the accessories looks so balanced and so unique. I think to put a lot of effort on the customized edition. As for the now we can check it's the 3 great buttons. We can switch it from silent, vibrate, and sound. And also this time, besides the hardware, also the software is also customized. They redesigned the charging animation and also the icons. Yes, we can wake up the wallpaper and icons, and even we go to the settings part. All the logos and icons are redesigned, and now we go to the settings to check the information specification about this device. ColorOS, a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, and they also support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And this is 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition. It can meet the gaming smart and the storage demand. And also they used a 6.78 inch 1.5K display resolution OLED screen. Is produced by BOE, and it supports 120Hz refresh rate. And the peak brightness reached to 4500 nit. And also for the battery, it's included a 5500 battery and support 100-watt capable fast charging. And also it have a real camera system, triple ray camera system. The main one is IMX890 Sony sensor, 50 megapixel, with support OIS. Yep. And also the second is a 8 megapixel super wide angle. And also the third camera is a telephoto lens, 50 megapixel. The front one is 60 megapixel front camera. And now we can have a very simple camera test about this OnePlus S3 based Genshin edition smartphone. Zoom performance totally 30 zoom. The front camera pro mode 1 to 5 times, 3 times degree zoom performance for us to choose. Okay, this is for the pro mode. We can also check it and take a simple photo about it. And also video 0.5, 1, 2, 3 times to choose for us to choose to shoot video. And also we can find included a lot of another functions. Okay, this is the slow mode. Okay, I can also quick test about the slow mode. And I will put all the sample photos and sample videos at the end of the videos, so you can check the real performance about the camera. Okay, so this is the camera test, and yes, so this is a quick show about the slow motion. Very interesting. More, we can find more here. Sticker, portrait, more. I think this test the micro performance of the camera. And for the macro lens, and it supports 4 centimeters macro lens, and also the wide angle is 112 wide angle. And the Sony IMX890 main camera 50 megapixel supports OIS and f1.8 big aperture. And also another photo test of the macro. I will also put the sample photo at the end of videos. And also we can find, besides the camera, the display this time is also past the Display Mate 8 Plus. It's the 1.5K BOE. This screen is pretty performance good, and yes, this is the charging animation of the special edition. Also have a special animation for this Genshin edition. And for the battery, as I mentioned, this time is a 5500 big battery with 100 watt super fast charging, and it's also passed as a UFCS fast charging certificate. And also for the charging speed, 27 to 30 minutes, you can get a fully charged from 0% to 100%. And yes, when I hold it on my hand, I can feel it is so nice, and total weight is 207 grams, and the dimension about this device is 75.3 V's, and length 163.3, and thickness 8.8. So next, let's reverse case and check the final appearance, how it looks like. Okay, so nice. With the Keqing character and the purple colored, it looks so balanced and very beautiful. Also, this device is support on-screen fingerprint, face unlock, and Type-C supported. Okay, so let's enjoy the some pictures about this smartphone. And thanks for watching. This is today's me content. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more quick action from here. Bye bye.